Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's recipe we have a Peruvian seafood rice. All ingredients below in my info box. We're gonna need turmeric, salt and black pepper, garlic, green pepper, onion, pre-cooked clams, vegetable oil, seafood mix frozen, and rice. Let's cook the Peruvian seafood rice. The rice cooker is hot. We're gonna add vegetable oil, and then we're gonna add the onion, garlic, and green pepper. Stir a little bit, and let's put the lid on the pot and press the cook button. And now let's add salt, black pepper, and turmeric. Let it cook for a few minutes. And when the vegetables are cooked, we're gonna be adding the seafood, and then 2 cups of rice and 2 cups of water. In my house we are using the jasmine rice. This rice just need 1 cup of rice and 1 cup of water. Okay, now cover the pot and press the cook button until the warm button automatically jumps. Please can you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel? Thank you. When the rice is almost done, we're gonna add the pre-cooked clams over the rice and cover the pot again and let it cook for a few minutes more. And when the warm button comes on, our Peruvian seafood rice is ready to serve. And this is the final result, guys. If you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and here I have a treat for my dog. Her name is Candy. She's my coton de Tuliar. She stays with me every Wednesdays with my recipes, but she has her own videos every Saturdays. Stay tuned. See you next time. Bye bye.